Hey guys, if you're stuck in zero view jail like I have been for the last week, I want to give you guys some tips here and hopefully offer a little bit of insight. So this past week I started a brand new channel. I've uploaded roughly 8 videos. Out of 8 videos have gotten 0 views, which is really weird. I've been on YouTube for about 4 years now, and I've never had a video go that long and that many videos back to back go that long without getting any views. And so what I realized, and as I started digging in, was that I was missing something that YouTube needed in order to actually push out my content. And so what that was verification that I am an actual human. YouTube has what they call eligibility features, which allow for you to upload videos of a particular length, to upload an X amount of times per day, to go live for a specific length of time. And these are all features that start off as not available for new creators. In order to unlock these features, you have to basically prove to YouTube that you're a human. So one of the easiest things you can do is verify a phone number, which attaches a phone number to your YouTube account. And the second piece here, this is the most important, is verifying that you're an actual human by either uploading a 6-second video of your face so that YouTube can verify that you're human, or by taking a picture of the front and the back of your driver's license to, again, verify that you're human. Or if you don't want to do any of that, you can prove to the algorithm that you're human by uploading videos directly to YouTube for a certain amount of time. Now, looking directly on YouTube, it says that if you're going to take the third option, which is to verify through time, that will take anywhere between 30 to 60 days. Now, the channel that I just created was about a week or so old, and I had failed the verification about 1 or 2 weeks ago. So I tried to upload an ID to YouTube. YouTube didn't like it and basically then thought, hey, maybe this person isn't an actual person, or this person is a spammer. I don't know what YouTube thought. All I know is that I failed verification, and in 8 videos had 0 views, which is unheard of. I think between all 8 videos, I had about 15 impressions, which is super low, meaning that the algorithm isn't even showing my content to anybody. Now, I just finished the verification. It took about 24 hours to finish. And immediately after I finished it and it was approved, I started checking my impressions to see if they were going to change. And lo and behold, I've got my first 2 views on the channel. Now, I know for some people, they might say, oh, 2 views, that means nothing. Well, if you've been, grinding and putting in 20 plus hours to create 8 videos and you've gotten 0 feedback, 0 views, 0 likes, 0 comments, 0 subscribers, you will begin to doubt yourself. And that's what I went through. So I'm making this video to hopefully provide some guidance to anyone that's facing this similar issue. If you're new to YouTube and you're wondering why your videos are getting literally no reach, like this isn't normal. With 8 videos uploaded, I would expect maybe even, 20, 30 views per video. Like I would be okay with that because I understand what comes with creating a new channel. But to post that much content and to not get a single view, that was unheard of. And that's what made me dig into the channel verification a little bit more. And so over the course of the next few days, I'll be keeping an eye on that, making sure that things look okay, and also making sure that these videos can get some more reach because they are in fact evergreen. So I think that they'll provide value for a long time to come. But the point of the story here is that if you're facing, or if you're in zero view jail, like I was for a little bit, first, make sure that you've got a clear and a searchable YouTube channel name. Make sure you've got a profile picture associated with your YouTube channel. Make sure you've got a banner at the very top of your page. And these are things that you can do under the customized channel menu settings. And then from there, if you jump into settings, and then I believe you go into channel, there is a feature eligibility, bookmark or section, you can dive into there, and there's 3 different things you can do to verify or to gain eligibility. So again, you wanna make sure to do as much of that as you can as early as you can, but you wanna make sure to, verify your phone number. You want to either take that 6-second video or upload your driver's license. I definitely don't recommend trying to build channel history. That will take a long amount of time, and that means a long time where you're not getting feedback on your content, or where the algorithm is kind of suppressing your videos until they can really verify that you are a person. But that's a really big thing that I want to talk about here for today. Of course, if your content is good, the algorithm will eventually pick it up. Just understand that there's probably a bunch of other people out there that are going through this particular situation that don't realize that. And I hope that this video can serve as a bit of information or knowledge for anyone out there who's struggling, like again, with an abnormal amount of engagement with their views. Now, if your channel is 2 or 3 years old and you've got 500 videos plus and you're not getting any engagement, that could be for another reason. This video in particular is for brand new channels that are still going through the verification process. I'm talking about, the first 5, 10, 15, 20 videos, and you're not seeing any engagement. Hopefully, this is something that you can check and just confirm that you've done properly. So that'll do it here for today's video, a brief one talking about the YouTube channel verification process. If you found this to be helpful, I'd appreciate it if you guys could smash that thumbs up. If you want more, consider subscribing. Otherwise, good luck on your YouTube journey, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.